Alright, so here's something that's got me pretty excited, and I think it should get you excited too. Imagine this. You're in Oregon, maybe chilling in your backyard or out on a late-night drive, and suddenly, the sky lights up with this mesmerizing dance of colors. No, it's not a UFO or some crazy light show, it's the Northern Lights. And guess what? This Wednesday night, there's a chance Oregonians, and folks across 21 other states, might just get a front row seat to this natural wonder. But here's the kicker. This isn't just a random event. It's all tied to something much bigger, our sun and its solar cycles. Now, personally, I think what makes this really interesting is the timing. We're in the declining phase of solar cycle 25, which means the sun's activity is supposed to be winding down. But here's the thing. Even in its decline, the sun can still throw some serious punches. This weekend, it ejected a massive amount of solar material and magnetic fields, and that stuff is headed straight for Earth. What this really suggests is that even when things seem calm, the universe has a way of surprising us. It's like the sun's last hurrah before it takes a breather. What many people don't realize is how rare it is to see the northern lights this far south. Usually, you'd have to trek up to Alaska or Canada for a glimpse. But this time, thanks to this geomagnetic storm, states like Oregon, Washington, and even Illinois might get a show. If you take a step back and think about it, this is a reminder of how interconnected we are with the cosmos. The sun, millions of miles away, can still paint our skies with light and color. It's both humbling and awe-inspiring. One thing that immediately stands out is the advice to stay away from light pollution. It's a detail I find fascinating because it highlights how modern life can interfere with these natural wonders. We've built cities that glow so brightly, we often miss what's happening above us. In my opinion, this is a call to action, not just to find a dark spot to watch the aurora, but to reconsider how we light our world. Maybe we can find a balance that lets us enjoy both the artificial and the celestial. If you're planning to catch this event, I'd recommend keeping an eye on the Space Weather Prediction Center's 30-minute aurora forecast. It's a tool that feels almost futuristic, predicting where and when the lights will appear. But what this really raises is a deeper question. How much do we rely on technology to experience nature? Are we enhancing our connection to the universe, or are we just outsourcing our curiosity? Personally, I think it's a bit of both. As I wrap this up, I'm left with a thought that's been lingering. The northern lights are more than just a pretty sight. They're a reminder of the sun's power, the Earth's vulnerability, and our own place in this vast, dynamic system. So, if you're in Oregon or any of those 21 states this Wednesday night, do yourself a favor, step outside, look north, and take a moment to appreciate the show. Because in a world where we're constantly looking down at screens, this is a chance to look up and remember just how incredible our universe really is. What do you think? Are you planning to hunt for the aurora? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts.